Bowling Green is our home,
where our children grow up,
and where we serve our community.
The Bowling Green Police Department is made up of many faces, many talents, but one purpose:
Service.
The Bowling Green Police Department is centrally located in the downtown area. Over 160 officers and civilians keep our department working on a daily basis.
As Bowling Green police officers, we strive to administer the law in a fair and equitable manner.
We strive to serve our community and establish programs that allow officers to engage with residents outside of law enforcement.
Our police force is comprised of numerous divisions, but together we are one team working towards a common goal: keeping our city safe. Each division plays an invaluable role, and first impressions are important. Our Records and Evidence divisions are tasked with maintaining digital and physical police records and reports,
as well as the day-to-day functions to ensure our policies and procedures are upheld.
Dispatch works as the command center of the police department by gathering and processing calls and information.
911, what is your emergency?
Here at Bowling Green Police, we take all the 911 calls in Warren County, and then we take that information and relay it to our officers, to the Sheriff's Department, to the State Police, and to the ambulance service, and at the same time trying to keep the callers just as calm as possible.
Patrol units are assigned to a specific district to engage in community policing. They respond to emergencies in that district and are responsible for enforcing motor vehicle and criminal laws.
As a detective, we receive specialized training to join the Criminal Investigations Division.
A detective's primary focus is to uncover the facts to solve complex criminal cases. As Bowling Green's population continues to grow, so does the need for more Bowling Green police officers.
We are actively looking for qualified, motivated, and professional men and women to join our team.
We are looking for compassionate individuals that want to make a difference in their community.
Individuals with courage, integrity, honesty, and respect.
Individuals who are in top physical condition.
You must first complete the hiring process. You will attend our basic training academy in Richmond, Kentucky at the Department of Criminal Justice.
After graduation, you'll complete our in-house police officer training program.
After completion of the program, you'll be ready for solo patrol.
Once you become a Bowling Green police officer, there are opportunities to join a variety of special assignments, such as our critical response team, who receives advanced training for high-risk operations, our bike or motor patrol, K-9 unit, honor guard, or crime scene processors. At the Bowling Green Police Department, we strive to stay up to date with the highest procedures, training, and technology. Our unmanned aircraft team deploys drones in situations where we need an eye in the sky.
When I realized that I wanted to be a police officer, I knew that I wanted to be one in the city that I'd lived in the entirety of my life, and I love Bowling Green, so I knew it was going to be a great opportunity when I decided that I wanted to work for the department.
The quality of people that Bowling Green seeks out is extremely high as well. Bowling Green always says that they hire for character and train for skill. And so to me that was very attractive, that this department really values people of great character, but also that they'll train you well to be able to do the job. If somebody's thinking about applying, if they have some type of desire to do law enforcement, I don't think of a better place that they could put into work. For many reasons, but ultimately you get to work with some of the best people, and I think that is because of the high quality of people that Bowling Green seeks out.
If you're up for the challenge and you want to make a difference,
if you think you have what it takes to become part of our team,
we are the Bowling Green Police Department.
We want to hear from you.